Hey there, beauty lovers. Let's talk about a lip product that promises not just color, but care. Introducing Lord & Berry's JAMAIS Sheer Lightweight Nourishing Buildable Lipstick in the shade Dreamer. This one's a little different. I've been testing it out for a while, and if you've ever struggled to find a lipstick that gives you that perfect mix of hydration, color, and buildable coverage, stay tuned, because this might be the one for you. Before we dive in, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest beauty reviews and tips. Now let's break it down. Lord & Berry, a brand founded in 1992, has a legacy of blending high fashion with makeup artistry. Designed in Milan, their products are all about creating professional, wearable beauty, and this lipstick is no exception. It promises to deliver a creamy, emollient texture with a gorgeous, wet, shiny finish. But what makes it stand out from the rest? Let's get into it. The JAMAIS Lipstick is described as having a sheer to medium coverage, which is perfect if you love a natural, easy-to-wear lip, but want the option to build it up. The formula is enriched with sunflower oil, which isn't just for the shine. It's there to nourish and hydrate your lips, giving you that soft, healthy look and feel. You know how some lipsticks dry your lips out after a few hours? Not here. The emollient texture means you'll feel comfortable all day without the need to constantly reapply balm underneath. Now, let me tell you about my experience with this lipstick. First off, the application is smooth, very smooth. It glides on effortlessly, and right from the start, I noticed the glossy shine. The shade Dreamer is a lovely nude pink with just enough pigment to give your lips a pop without being overpowering. It's perfect for a day-to-day look, especially if you're aiming for something that feels natural but polished. In terms of wear, it's definitely buildable. You can go for that sheer, barely there tint, or layer it up for a more defined lip with medium coverage. While the lipstick feels emollient and comfortable, it doesn't have that sticky feel that some glosses tend to leave behind, which I really appreciate. Plus, it lasts for a few hours, though you might need a touch-up after eating or drinking. But no product is without its drawbacks. While the buildable texture is a huge bonus, if you're someone who prefers a more matte finish or full coverage, this might not be your go-to. It's designed to be shiny and light, which is great for casual looks, but may not suit those who prefer a more dramatic lip. Another thing I noticed is that it could be a little tricky to control when applying it on the go, so make sure you've got a mirror handy if you're layering it up. So, is it worth the price? Here's where I stand. For a lipstick that provides both nourishing care and buildable color, yes. The ingredients are great, and I really appreciate how it feels on the lips, hydrating without being heavy. For the price, you're getting a high-end product that delivers on its promises without being a total splurge. Now, if you're looking for something similar but a bit more budget-friendly, I'd recommend checking out some of the drugstore options that offer similar sheer finishes, though they might not have the same nourishing qualities that this lipstick does. If you're willing to invest a little more, the Lord & Berry JAMAIS Lipstick gives you that luxurious feel and performance. To sum it up, if you're someone who loves a glossy, comfortable lip that's easy to apply and won't dry out your lips, this lipstick could be a perfect fit for your makeup bag. The shade Dreamer is a great everyday nude that will suit a variety of skin tones, and the nourishing formula ensures your lips stay soft and hydrated. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to try it out, you'll find the link to purchase in the comments below. Have you tried this lipstick? Drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you can join us for more honest, no-nonsense reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.